In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Telegram. At the moment, there isn't an official built-in way to sign Claude directly into Telegram the same way you would use a normal chat account. So, the easiest way to get started is by using a third-party Telegram bot that works as a bridge. This lets you chat with Claude from inside Telegram without needing to code anything or set up a custom API connection. If you want a simple and fast option, this is usually the most beginner-friendly method. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone or on your computer. Once you're inside, find the search bar, which is usually located near the top of the screen. This is where you'll look for a bot that provides Claude access. If you're new to Telegram, just make sure you're already signed in and able to use the app normally before continuing, so the process goes smoothly. Now, tap or click on the search bar and type a phrase like Claude AI bot or Claude Assistant bot. Telegram will show you a list of search results. This is the point where it's important to slow down and look carefully. You want to find a bot that clearly mentions Claude or Anthropic in the name or in the description. There may be several similar results, so try to choose one that looks active, relevant, and easy to understand. If preview text is visible, read it before opening the bot. That short description can help you confirm whether the bot is actually intended to connect you with Claude. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you time later and help you avoid bots that aren't what you need. Once you find a suitable option, open the bot to go to the chat screen. Near the bottom of the conversation, you should see a Start button. Tap that button to activate the bot. In most cases, this will trigger a welcome message, along with a few setup instructions or a short explanation of how the bot works. From there, follow any instructions shown on screen. Some bots start working immediately, while others may show a small menu or ask you to choose a mode before you begin chatting. After that, send a simple test message like, "Hello." This is an easy way to confirm that the bot is active and responding properly. If everything is working, the bot will reply, and that means you're now chatting with Claude inside Telegram. At that point, the connection is complete using the easiest available method. One final tip: third-party bots can vary quite a bit in quality, speed, and reliability.